Welcome to Raya Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program, English Balwati Standard 6th. Hello students, this is chapter number 2.7, Yonamine and Bushi, part 1. Yonamine Chiru was the most admired girl in Okinawa. She was intelligent, tall, strong, big and beautiful. And most important of all, she was so well trained in karate that no one could beat her. So Yonamine was the most admired girl in Okinawa because of her intelligence, her well-built structure, her beauty, and most of all, she was very good karate player. When it was time to get married, her father, who was a rich merchant, began to worry. He loved his daughter and wanted to be happy and well cared for. She was beautiful and she would inherit a fortune from him. But where, oh where, could he find a young man who would come forward to marry a woman who was stronger than him? So, when it was time for her marriage, her dad was very tensed or worried because although he was wealthy merchant, but still he couldn't find a match for her daughter. Who could be more stronger than her daughter? Yonamine had her own ideas about marriage. She declared firmly, I will only marry a man who can beat me in a fair fight. So Yonamine had, had her own ideas about her marriage and she declared that she would only marry a person who would beat her in a fair fight. Surprisingly, many young men picked up the challenge and came forward to fight her. After all, she was a beautiful girl with a fortune. Many wrestlers were eager to win her in a contest of martial arts. So many young men came from across the country to woo her, to fight with her. One of the first to ask for her hand was Kojo, who was actually bigger and stronger than Yonamine. He was so tall and well built that his hands were like shovel and his leg resembled tree trunks. So the first suitor that came was Kojo, and who was actually bigger and stronger in appearance than Yonamine. He was tall and well built. His hands were like shovel. Shovel means an instrument which is used to pull earth's mud or snow. That is shovel. And his legs resembled tree trunks. But he played foul, even as Yonamine was bowing to him in the customary sign of respect to one's opponent. He threw a punch at her, breaking the rules of the game. Yonamine was angry. She caught hold of his hand and twisted it so powerfully that the unsupportive Kojo fell down in a heap and had to limp away, defeated. So he broke the rules of the game. Who? The Kojo. The Kojo broke the rules of the game by throwing punch at her. But according to the rules, it was meant that both the player should bow first with respect to each other. But the Yonamai was angry after seeing this and she finally defeated Kojo. Many promising young wrestlers tried her hand, but Yonamine defeated them all. Her father was in despair. Young men wanted to marry girls who would cook and wash and make tea for their husbands. Who could marry a girl who enjoyed wrestling? So many wrestlers tried, but Yonamine defeated them all, and her dad was still worried. Bushikyo was just such a man. He had trained under the karate master Sakugawa. He proved to be such an expert that he was recruited by Shoko, the king of Okinawa, to be his personal guard. So another suitor was Bushi, who was trained under the karate master Sakugawa. His friend said to Bushi, "You should take on the challenge of this girl. Yonamain, she may be big, but you are stronger and smarter than her." Bushi too was keen to marry a girl like Yonamain. He did not want a delicate, fragile girl for a wife. "I shall fight with her and win over her," he decided. So his friend said to Bushi to fight with Yonamain, and Bushi also wanted to marry a girl like Yonamain, and he said, "I shall fight and win over her." Yonamain was impressed at the sight of a new challenge. She had heard that he was one of King Shoko's personal warriors. He was tall and slim. He stood firmly on his feet and seemed unshakable. Above all, he had dark, piercing eyes which looked straight at the opponent and showed that he was fearless and straightforward. So Yonamain was impressed. When she heard about her new challenge, who was one of King Shoko's personal warrior, and because he had so many qualities like piercing eyes, tall and slim, Yonamain was eager to meet him. The wrestling match began. Yonamain and Bushi bowed to each other and then began to attack each other in earnest. They punched, kicked, and twisted. Using their best technique, it looked as if the match was going to be tie. Nobody winning, nobody losing. And the match began. They both attacked each other. They punched, kicked, and twisted using best technique. And it looked that the match is going to be tie. But at a crucial moment in the fight, Yonamain paused. Ever so briefly, Bushi took advantage of the moment and brought her down with a swift punch. But at the last moment, Yonamain paused and Bushi took advantage of that and brought her down with a swift punch. Yonamain's father was a happy man. Bushi and Yonamain were married in a splendid ceremony. So Yonamain's father was very happy man that time. And finally Bushi and Yonamain both were married in a very impressive ceremony. So students, till here. Now in the next part I will do the rest of the story because it is quite a long story. So I have taken it in two parts. Thank you.